United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 294, Preliminary Proceedings, 1. A court, or tribunal provided for in Article 287, to which an application is made in respect of a dispute referred to in Article 297 shall determine, at the request of a party, or may determine proprio motu, whether the claim constitutes an abuse of legal process, or whether prima facie it is well founded. If the court, or tribunal determines that the claim constitutes an abuse of legal process, or is prima facie unfounded, it shall take no further action in the case. 2. Upon receipt of the application, the court, or tribunal shall immediately notify the other party, or parties of the application, and shall fix a reasonable time limit, within which they may request it to make a determination, in accordance with paragraph 1. 3. Nothing in this article affects the right of any party to a dispute to make preliminary objections in accordance with the applicable rules of procedure.